So, hello, I'm Crafter Wong. Welcome to another episode of Crafter Wong with Crafter Wong. Today I'll be building Blaziken. This was recommended to me by the doctor. You guys can read. You guys can make fun of that. Anyways, if you want to build along with me, the templates for this model are in the first link in the description. Probably the only thing in the description, but whatsoever. If you like my content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite fast food restaurant. Besides that, I don't even know. I can't think off the top of my head what my favorite fast food restaurant is. But anyways, sit back and enjoy. In total, this model took about an hour and a half to build. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite fast food restaurant. Until next time, bye-bye.